Hello friends, and welcome into my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you are returning. Welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Mercedes and I go by That Mom and That Mom Wellness Coach. If you are returning, how'd you like that little intro that you guys saw just now? I am totally proud of that. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Mercedes. I do videos on holistic living. I'm a holistic health and nutrition coach. I do a lot of videos about frugal living, about motherhood, and just sustainability and all around things that are of interest to me. And I hope that they find you well. I hope they're of interest to you as well. In today's video, we are going to make some nut butters. As you can see, I have cashews and almonds on this tray, but later in the video, I also show you a version with just almonds. Now, I used raw organic almonds, which I was showing you guys the bag for. I got them at Walmart because they were what was A, cheapest for me, and B, the closest store for me to go and get. The Walmart organic almonds, they do say that they are made organic. They do say that they have sustainability measures in place, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to trust Walmart on this one. I don't usually like shopping at Walmart if I can help it, but in the world of frugality, Walmart is the most frugal place for me to shop and everything. Nuts in general are very hard when it comes to sustainability, and a lot of people will tell you that nuts are not sustainable at all. I will have some information and facts on the screen about nuts and their sustainability. I grew up in a small town called St. David, Arizona, and almost every single one of my friends had pecan trees in their yards. So I know that it's a lot of water firsthand, but also they grow very well in some climates. Like pecans were everywhere growing up. Pecans, pecan, you be the judge of that. I say in both ways just because I was raised near them and everybody said them different. So back to this video. What we're doing and how we're doing making this nut butter is I took my raw organic nuts and I put my cashew and almonds because that's what I had in my pantry. We were doing a pantry clean out because we were doing some heavy cleaning stuff. Plus I used this for a brownie recipe that I made during Christmas time. So that's another reason why I did not get a clip of this first one done, but I did do the second batch to get a clip of the finished nut butter done on that clip. So all you have to do with nut butters is you need to put the nuts into the oven and toast them on low. I think I put mine as low as my toaster oven will go because I use the toaster oven, confectioner oven in my house because we don't have a real oven per se. So all you do is you toast them until they are warm and their natural oils are starting to come up, so that they can blend easier in the blender. Now, as you saw, I did do that first batch in the blender, and then this batch right here of just almonds, this is in our little tiny food processor. This is about 20 years old, and the blender itself is about 10 years old. What you want to do with the blender, because there's a lot of open space, is you need to scrape down the sides a lot. Whereas this little teeny tiny food processor, we didn't need to scrape down the sides as much. Now I have my Ninja now, which I will be doing more nut butters with in probably this year for Christmas time again, because we did like that set of brownies that we made. But it'll be just a little bit easier to do it in the Ninja because it's a little bit of a bigger food processor. I definitely recommend doing it in a food processor rather than doing it in the blender because it was just easier in the food processor compared to the blender, but it's not undoable, not doable in the blender. This is the finished product of the all almond one, and yeah, we really did like it, and we definitely will be making it again. And yeah, it was fun to make it, and it definitely did last a good little amount of time, but we did eat it faster than it actually went bad. So if you guys are wondering more about making almond butter, nut butter, let me know in the comments below and I'll make another video probably with the Ninja, and yeah, we can do another one and see what it's like. So thank you guys for joining me in this video. Thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you are not, as it really helps out my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.